So in today's video we are looking at this new update on Driving Empire. So we got the new W Motors Limited for $6.7 million, and we got Lamborghini Huracan STO, which is visuals plus sounds update. So I guess they redone the sounds and visuals on this. So I guess I can just go ahead and buy this thing. Here it is. Alright, so I guess we could do a review on this car real quick. So this is $6.7 million. And ooh, it sounds really nice. It's a nice model too. So this is just like the regular, like a hybrid sport with some Driving Empire decals and a little body kit look action to it. This is actually a really nice model. What's the interior look like? Not gonna lie, I really like this car. This car is actually a good looking car. 6.7 million for this. A little overpriced, but I'd say so. It also sounds really good. It could go 310 stock with the boost and like 248 without boost. So that's a pretty decent looking car. I wanna see the STO. I wanna see what they change in the STO. The startup sounds so much better. Everything opens up on it. I don't think this opened up at the start, but it does now, which is pretty cool. They said they did visuals, so let's go see what the visual update, like what they did with the visuals. So the appearance. And this is paint. Oh, so they got more colors. Let's just do random colors here. We can do this. Oh, we can do the actual wording on the car. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep this spec. I usually like the stock specs. We can go around. Ooh, wait a minute. So, and then we can do the roof. What is this bug? Ew. What is? Yo. Yo, Devs. This is a bug. We might need to fix that. Let's see here. Interior. They said they added something else for the interior. So let's see. Oh, wait. They got the little racing. Instead of door handles, they use these little straps you can pull to open the door. Well, there's not really much you could do with this car, other than just mess around with it a little bit. I'd say this is a pretty decent update. I actually like it. And all that, you know? So I just love the sound of this car. All that, but sorry if this video is short, and sorry if I sound a little weird, and my fan is pretty loud. I'm just feeling a little sick, you know. I am very, very allergic to grass, and my neighbor just cut down all their hay in the field next to me, so it's really hitting me different right now. I'll see y'all in the next video of me doing videos with AGB and then uh, infected, aka zombie. That's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.